Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. In this video, I will tell you nowadays when we try to post a reel on Instagram and when we go to a filter and scroll at last, we don't get the option of browse effect. That means to search a filter, like if you want to search any specific filter for your Instagram reels, then we are not getting the option to search it. So in this video I will tell you how to get this option for your Instagram reels. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So for this, open your Instagram application and select a reel. Like if you want to record it, or go to a reel section. Here you can see. So now if you will see, I will scroll at last and you will see there is no such filter, or there is no option to browse or effect. Okay, so what you need to do, just go to any of the filter and click on the three star. Here you can see on the right, just above the filter icon. So I will click on this star and here this page will open. Here you have to click on this search icon and here you can search any filter or any effects that you want to use it in your Instagram reels. So this option was not here, like this option was before. At the last, here you can see at the last here was an option as search effect, but now it has been changed. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.